there's no reason why we won't be able to replace everything in this body with in our biology with technology. Like you said, limbs and and internal organs. And yes, the more we understand the brain and reverse engineer the brain and so on, sure, let's say that possible. The question is really what then happens to the human? And this is where we can come in with a Kabbalistic perspective and explain this. This material body that we think we live in is just how we currently perceive ourselves. The substance that we're truly made of is not this body. The substance that we're made of is a non-material substance called desire. Now, technology, the more we can see that, wow, technology can replace our hands and our heart and our brain even, that will help us get to the conclusion that we are not our bodies. This
is incredible.
Does that make sense?
This is okay. So there are cases of a person who lost a hand, and you can see it on YouTube, who doesn't have a hand, and they give them an artificial hand, right? And in the future, it still kind of looks like a robot hand, but you can imagine that soon it could probably look really very much like a human hand, and it can be controlled by the mind.
Yeah. Yeah. But
if you can control a limb with your mind, it's a robot limb. So, you just start removing parts and controlling them all with your mind. And
so that's another aspect. So this development of technology and more specifically this realm of merging our biology with our technology is helping us. It's leading us to see that we are not our body. That's one. And that we can do more with our thoughts and with our intentions, with our unseen, non-physical forces that we actually knew we can. We're gonna get into a realm. It's all part of the Great Transition. This whole technological merging with machines type of thing, transhumanist kind of phase. It's all part of us realizing who we really are, what we actually are, and that there is a realm of thoughts, desires, and intentions that is detached from our bodies. And it works on a level of nature that we need to explore, that we need to unearth and discover. The truth is that, I don't want to say the soul here. Let's just throw it out there for a second. Let's say the soul, but the true essence of the human is not this body. This is the thing. It's not our body, and it's interesting that technology is helping us get used to that idea, gradually digest this idea.